Annyeong, beautiful souls! Today, let's dive into the ultimate Korean skincare routine that actually works. If you've ever dreamed of achieving that dewy glass-like skin, you're in the right place. Stay tuned till the end for pro tips and affordable product recommendations. The 10-step routine breakdown. Step 1. Oil cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. It's perfect for clearing out clogged pores without stripping your skin. Step 2. Water-based cleanser. Follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove any leftover residue and deeply cleanse your skin. Step 3. Exfoliation. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Choose a gentle exfoliant that suits your skin type. Step 4. Toner. To help restore your skin's pH balance and prep it for the next steps. Go for hydrating toners with ingredients like rice extract or Centella asiatica. Step 5. The essences are the heart of Korean skincare. They boost hydration, improve skin texture, and enhance your glow. Step 6. Serum or ampule target specific skin concerns like acne, pigmentation, or wrinkles with a serum or ampule. Choose ingredients like niacinamide or vitamin C based on your needs. Step 7. Sheet mask. A sheet mask is like a mini spa for your skin. Use it 1 to 2 times a week for extra hydration and relaxation. Step 8. Eye cream. Delicate under-eye skin deserves extra care. Use an eye cream to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Step 9. Moisturizer seal in all the hydration with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. This step keeps your skin plump and nourished. Step 10. Sunscreen. Never skip sunscreen. It's your best defense against premature aging and sun damage. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours for maximum protection. Pro tips for glowing skin. Here are some pro tips to maximize your results. 1. Be consistent. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. 2. Always patch test new products. 3. Double-check ingredient lists to avoid irritants. 4. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. Affordable Korean product recommendations. Oil cleansers, The Face Shop, Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil, Heimish All Clean Balm, Vanilla Co-Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm, Original, Ionic Calendula, Complete Cleansing Oil, Water-Based Cleansers, Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, Etude House, Soonjung pH 6.5, Whip Cleanser, Innisfree Blueberry Rebalancing 5.5 Cleanser, Misha Super Aqua Refreshing Cleansing Foam. Toners, Klairs Supple Preparation, Unscented Toner, Some By Me Snail Trucica Miracle Repair Toner, Etude House Soonjung pH 5.5 Relief Toner, I'm From Rice Toner, Serums/ampoules. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1%. Some By Me Yuja Niacin 30 Days Blemish Care. Serum Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule. Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum. Moisturizers. Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. Unique Centella Calming Gel Cream. Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Etude House Soonjung Hydro Barrier Cream. Sunscreens. Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Round Lab Birch Juice. Moisturizing Sunscreen Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Halusica Water Fit Sun Serum. Ionic Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. And that's it, your ultimate guide to a Korean skincare routine that actually works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, stay glowing, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.